Hello again, we're back with another project update. This month we are proud to announce that we have published some of our very own open source GIS libraries. During last month's updates, we shared that we are changing our approach on electronic components we are using on the robot, and we are still in the process of making those changes. We also bought a 3D printer and have been learning more about the 3D modeling and printing process. In the meantime, we've also been working on some exciting new updates to our browser-based GIS platform. If you are on Patreon, you would have gotten a sneak peek at the design updates that are part of this. We refactored our code to separate out the base GIS functionalities so that we could make a library for core functionality that is independent of the UI. This not only makes our platform more robust, but also makes it more extendable going forwards, which is really important as we start adding out more functionality for our robots. This library is open source. We'll link to it in the description if it's your jam. Please feel free to take a look. We'll also be adding other libraries and code here as we progress with all of our projects. The library is doing the heavy lifting, sure, but we also gave our online GIS app a facelift. We had slowly noticed a lot of usability issues with our previous UI over time as we used it more, so we gave it a fresh coat of paint. We now have a more streamlined set of tools that take up less space on the screen and offer a more intuitive experience when creating and managing map data. Here you can see an example of how easy it is to edit now. While this may not seem immediately relevant to the robotics project, this tool is important for visualizing the location data we collect, and it needs to be easy for us to use. Also, we had reached a point with the robotics portion of the project where we had gotten just the teensiest bit frustrated, and sometimes it's good to take a mental break from one problem while working on something else. That way you can come back with fresh perspectives and an awesome plan. In addition to the main app updates, we also updated the other pages of our website so that we can more easily share updates with everyone on all aspects of our project from one place. We'll also link to this in the description, so if you are interested, feel free to take a look. We also have a new and improved how-to page so that if you get confused when using the app, you have a place to find answers. More updates will be coming next month, but in the meantime, please feel free to check out all the resources linked in the description. See you soon!